In this video, I will be showing you how to access the trash folder in Canva to recover or delete your files. From the Canva home screen, I navigate to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until I find the trash icon. I click on Trash to open the folder where all my recently deleted items are stored. Here, I can see different tabs for designs, images, videos, and files. I can scroll through my deleted designs to find exactly what I'm looking for. To change how I view my items, I click the grid icon in the top right to switch to a list view, making it easier to see details like the date each item was edited. I can also toggle back to the grid view for a better visual preview. If I want to clear everything out, I can click the Empty Trash button in the top right corner. After checking my deleted images, videos, and files, I'll head back to the Main Designs tab. This is the best way to manage your deleted content and keep your workspace organized.